ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಗುಡ್, ಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈನ್. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಆಫ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಸೋಪ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೇಸ್ ವಾಶ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು 5 months. It was an amazing journey, and I would like to thank each and every individual, that is my friends and relatives, who really trusted my words and who bought these products and used it and get the maximum benefit from these products. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೋಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫೇಸ್ ವಾಶಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಿದೆ? Okay, let me tell you what are all the benefits we are going to get from these soaps and face wash. First is, these products have 100% pure essential oils, that is our coconut oil. So along with this, we also have natural ingredients like aloe vera, turmeric, activated charcoal, neem, etc., etc., etc. These acts as our anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antimicrobial characteristics. Along with this, these soaps clean the skin while adding valuable nutrients to our skin. It's going to give a lot of valuable nutrients to our skin. So the purpose of soap is to cleanse the body. It's not to give what you call fragrance to our body. So I think we have a wrong conception that we need to get a good fragrance from the soap. So these soaps have naturally maintaining pH levels, that is coming from our coconut oil. So coconut oil has the ability to maintain the pH of 9 to 10 so that it moisturizes our skin and keeps our pH level always balanced. Since we do the cold processing technique, this coconut oil acts as a natural lather. So we don't require to add any artificial lathering agent to get the lather. And it gives a very amazing experience with this particular lather. Finally, this product gives you a silkier skin, and because of this, it is having a natural glycerin in it. So again, the natural glycerin is coming from our coconut oil. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಕಲ್ಪವೃಕ್ಷ ಅಂತ. So we have a lot of benefits from these soaps and face washes, and because we use only the natural ingredients in it. So those who want to really transform, is the time to transform from our so-called branded soaps to these type of natural soaps and face wash and get a lot of benefits and have a healthier skin. So ಎಲ್ಲರೂ use ಮಾಡಿ, and then you can able to really see the changes in your skin. Especially people who are having a dry skin, they can use it, and people who are having challenges with the tanning, they can use it. Definitely on usage of these soaps and face wash, these all challenges can be 100% can be minimized. So once again, thanks a lot for all the people who have watched this, and I'm sure I'm going to reach to more and more people and make the transformation to all those people. Thanks a lot, and love you all, and have a safe and healthy day. Thank you.